Well, consumer bankruptcy is a way in which people who are burdened by excessive debt can get relief from that debt. Now, how do they get that kind of debt? Well, the major reasons are that they've gone through a divorce, that they have lost a job, or that they have incurred diseases, injuries that require medical expenses that they can't afford to pay. All of those reasons and others can get people to a point where they can't pay back their debts and they need help. It hasn't been changed really in its foundation since 1978 when the Bankruptcy Code was adopted, and the last major amendments were in 2005, 14 years ago. So a lot has changed in that time, and the kinds of debt, the amounts of debt, and the administrative procedures that have taken place, and those need to be re-examined to make the system work more effectively. Well, there are actually 48 recommendations, and every one of them is one that the commission thinks really ought to be put into effect. But among the ones that I think have gotten the most attention are student loan dischargeability, access to Chapter 13 relief, the compensation of attorneys in Chapter 7 and trustees. There are a number of things that have gotten particular attention. What we're hoping is that it means that they are going to find it more effective to go into bankruptcy and less expensive for them to get bankruptcy relief than it is right now. It's also going to mean that other parties affected by bankruptcy, like trustees, creditors, are going to find the system more responsive to their needs. It should make it less expensive for them to become involved in bankruptcy in the first instance by reducing the fees that are charged. It should make it less difficult for them to assemble the documents that are required to begin a bankruptcy case. And it should, in general, make the process of getting bankruptcy relief less burdensome. The best website to get more information about the commission would be Consumer Commission, all one word, .abi.org.